Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying the hair color wax. So I purchased this in red, blue, and my favorite color, purple. So I'm not sure how I'm going to apply this to my hair, like if I'm going to use all three of the colors, one of the colors, two of the colors, I don't know yet. But I've been seeing these hair wax all over YouTube, so I'm going to try it. So for those of you that don't know, I just recently, hold up. Because you should know. And that means that you don't know because you're not subscribed to my channel. So make sure you take the time to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload my next video. Anywho, like I was saying, for those of you that weren't subscribed but now is subscribed, I recently dyed my hair honey blonde. I am jet black. I was born with jet black hair. So I dyed my hair honey blonde, had it like that for a little bit. And then I dyed it back black. Black was easier for me to maintain. But anywho, in today's video, we're going to be trying these hair paints because they're temporary. They don't cause any damage to the hair from what I read and what I've seen in other YouTube videos. What color do you guys think I should try? Purple is my favorite color, but blue, you know, from what I see on YouTube videos, looks really, really nice. Red though. This red is kind of like what I was debating when I went honey blonde. So I don't know. And if you have tried these hair paint wax before, let me know how it worked out for you. So what I am going to be looking for with these hair paint dyes, it comes right out with water. You don't even really need shampoo, but of course I'm going to shampoo my hair when it's time for it to come out. But I want to look to see if they, you know, like come off of my clothes or anything like that. I think it depends on the colors because I looked at several YouTubers videos about this hair paint. Some of them said it didn't transfer. Some of them said it did. I really think it depends on what color that you choose to use. Without further ado, I am going to go wash my hair, do my whole wash and go like I normally do. And then I'm going to come back and start applying one of these colors. So if you want to see how I apply the hair paint wax to my hair and what color I'm going to use, if you don't already see it in the thumbnail, please continue to watch. Okay, so I'm back. I'm pretty much done with my wash and go. I just have this side left. And what I am using for this wash and go is the same thing that I used in my last video. If you haven't seen it, I'll link that above. But I use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner, and I use the blue Wet Line Gel. So I'm not really applying it in any type of order. I just did like 3 big chunks, and that's about it. I'm just ready to get to this hair paint wax. And I'm just going to apply it to this entire section. But it is like 2 o'clock in the morning. Actually, it's 2:35 in the morning, and I'm trying to hurry up and get this done so I can have my color for tomorrow. If y'all don't know, I am born and raised in Baltimore, hence the Ravens shirt. So that's the color I'm going to go with. I might mix the colors up a little bit. And this is pretty much what I did for the other 2 sections. I decided to go with the Wet Line Gel because when I used it in my last video, it didn't leave like a white cast, and I don't want to have that white cast in my hair as I apply the dye. So, or wax. In the beginning of this video, I was on my 6-day hair, which was from the Wet Line video. 6 days. So let's get started. So if you ask me how to pronounce the name, I'm going to butcher it. So I'll just link it below with the website where I got it, but this is the name of it. Can you see it? Mofajang. I guess that's how you say it. Mofajang. I'm going to start off with the red color. So like many of the other reviews says, it does have a cologne smell to it. It smells really good. And this is how the color looks. I don't know if the color is going to show up that bright in my hair, but we're going to go for it. I'm going to apply some gloves because I don't want to mess my nails up. Just got them done. I'm going to try and go back up in there. I'm just going to apply it with my fingers. Oh, it's pretty thick, but it's really thick. Hold up, I'm going to mess my shirt up. I don't want to mess my Raven shirt up. Kayla! I already got it on my finger. Let me lift my hair up in the back. Thanks. This reminds me of that Missy Elliott video. I can't stand the rain. So you're supposed to apply this on damp hair. Oh my gosh. I need some more. Oh my gosh. What the hell am I doing? I wonder if they won't let me come to work like this. For the next section, we are going to use, this one doesn't really have a scent to it, but this is what the blue looks like. Oh, that is so pretty. I've never dyed my hair like any color besides like blonde, red, browns, you know, blacks. I've never dyed my hair any color. So this is really different for me. Oh, Lord. And this is how the purple looks. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Deep purple. Now I'm going to take all the clips out. I'm going to apply a little bit around the edges. What you guys think? Can you see all the colors? What y'all think? Do you like it so far? So now let's go and diffuse. Hi everyone, so it's the next day and yes, I'm wearing my Ravens shirt because it's game day. We are in the AFC Championship. I decided to change my lip color because purple hair, purple lips, purple shirt, that was a little too much. So, but look at this hair. It turned out so nice. The only thing that I realized is with the red dye, it disappeared. I don't know where it went at. You can only see like maybe 2 or 3 strands of red in my hair, but I really love the way it turned out. It's soft. I did add a little bit of oil to it. Let's see. I don't really have like transfer onto my hands, but if you do apply a lot in one section and then you kind of like manipulate your hair a lot, then you will see some transfer on your hands. But once your hair is dry, that's Milo. Once your hair is dry, you really won't see any type of transfer. I will leave a link below in the description box on where I purchased the hair paint dye from. I believe it was like $4.99 or $5.99 plus shipping and handling was only like $2, but it came really quick. So I'll leave all that information below in the description box. I'm not sure if we can wear these type of colors to work. I do work in a hospital setting, so I'm not 100% sure, but you know, again, if it's a problem, I could wash it out and put it back in on the days that I'm off. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and let's go Ravens. See you in the next one.